Hello, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of one of our most recent trades, a 2018 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. We'll start on the transom. This particular boat is powered with triple 350 Verados Mercuries. Moving into the cockpit, you'll see this fold-out bench seat. Very spacious cockpit with a port side dive door. If you're pulling your fish in or just boarding with a ladder there. Next, we'll come up to the aft mezzanine here, the summer kitchen. This particular boat has just a nice little sink area, live well, and then a sink to clean your hands. Lots of storage down below. Moving forward to the helm, it's loaded with electronics, 12-inch Simrads, autopilot, and open array Simrad HD radar. This particular boat is a bow thruster boat, no joystick. Moving around to the head area, you'll see very spacious, lots of storage, easy to maneuver around. Moving forward to your coffin box area, you got a large garage with ample storage down below. And then you have more bow seating with a table that actually falls down and makes a sun pad or comes up if you just want to eat or entertain up here on the bow. We'd like to thank you for watching this video aboard the 2018 350 Outrage. Remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.